Introducing the Genius Tools Hex Impact Bit Socket, a powerful and versatile tool that can handle any hex head fastener with ease. Made from Chromium Molybdenum Steel with a black oxide coating, the Genius Tools Hex Impact Bit Socket is engineered to withstand high impact and resist corrosion. With a 1/2 inch drive size measuring 60 millimeters in overall length, this tool is ideal for working in tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas. The clear and permanent size markers are stamped on the tool for easy identification and organization. Rated to meet or exceed ANSI specifications, Genius Tools backs up its quality with a limited lifetime warranty, protecting you against any manufacturer defects. Whether you need to tighten or loosen hex bolts, screws, or nuts, you can trust Genius Tools to provide a reliable and durable tool at a reasonable cost. Genius Tools, built for pros, made for life.